Good evening, everyone. Guys, I'm audible. Can anyone please confirm?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Thank you so much, Ricky. Fine. Now, what is the update on your assignments? Is it done?
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Yes, Ricky, share your screen. Show me. Whoever is done with the assignments, give me your names in the chat box.
Ma'am, screen sharing is not enabled for students.
Okay. Yeah. Right now. Others, whoever is done with the assignment, give me your names in the chat box. Shruti, share it now.
Yes, ma'am, just a minute.
Guys, when you know you have class, when you know you are done with the assignments, you have to be like, you need to be ready, right? With your assignments and all. We don't have that much time. I'll ask you, okay, assignments, और तब आप AutoCAD open करोगे. Okay.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
So, ma'am, I have designed a chair, a side table, and a TV unit. So, this first one is the side table. This is the front elevation, and this is the side elevation.
Okay.
So, what I what I used are these fillet curves and
That is fine.
rectangle.
The commands and all, that's fine. Show me the another object, what you created.
Okay, ma'am. So this is a TV unit table.
TV unit table. Okay. तो यहाँ पे किसी कहीं पे भी drawers या फिर कुछ भी नहीं है.
What, ma'am?
You don't have any drawers or anything, no, there?
No, ma'am. These are the shelves, individual shelves. Each this rectangle that design is
Without
made.
handles.
Yeah, that is without handle, a push full one. Like
Fine.
if you press the ma'am, it comes the door comes out.
Got it. Third one.
And third one is the chair ka elevation, like back elevation and side elevation I have drawn.
Where is the front elevation?
Ma'am, I have not drawn front one actually.
Okay.
The design was unique from back, so
fine.
This is the repetitive, like
okay. Layers and everything you use. Good. Very
yes,
nice.
ma'am.
Yeah. Again, others? Anyone? I'll wait for your response, not an issue. 6:30, 7:30. I'll wait. But you have to respond, remember, because I need to mention your assignment submitted or not submitted. So please respond, I'll wait. I'm waiting now. Just tell me, you decide when you guys want to respond and let me know, please. I'm sitting and waiting here. Okay, who wants to continue the class? Okay, Raiba is saying I'm having issues with the system. Which folder, Shruti? The folder of your name or what?
No, ma'am. Everyone was supposed to make a folder of their name now. So there, I have seen only one folder. Like,
Your folder, please.
no, not my folder. Except my folder, there was one more folder.
Okay. One second. So Shruti and Raiba, only two folders are there. Raiba, only folder is created. Assignment is not uploaded. Only Shruti has uploaded the assignment here. And others are not interested to respond. Okay, fine. Now see, yeah, Raiba, it's okay, fine. Raiba and Shruti, I got it. Not an issue. Okay. Now, here, first, I'll set the units. Done. Now, today, first, so here, remember one thing, as I told you prior, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we don't have any class. Saturday, Sunday, no class. Remember this. Okay? Now, here, what you have to do, everyone, you have to open one block file here. Which block file? This one. Copy of blocks. ये कहाँ मिलेगा? Daily I'm sharing one drive link with you, right? Open the drive link. In that drive link, you'll find class material का folder. ठीक है? पहले यहाँ पे ध्यान दो, बाद में करना. You'll find class material का folder. So class material में you'll find this block file. You have to download this one. Okay? Open this. You'll get two pop-ups. So first time, select second option. Again, one more time we'll get the pop-up. At that time also, select second option. That's it. You'll be able to open the block file here. Yeah. Now, what do you have to do? See, why we are providing this block file? Now you know all the drawing and modifying tools, so easily you can create anything. Okay? But what I'm like, we are helping you with this. It will save your time. No need to sit and create anything. तो क्लास के बाद में बैठ के अच्छे से देखना है पूरे ब्लॉग्स. Now, how to copy this block? C O enter देखे तो you can copy, but in this drawing only. C O enter देखे, in this drawing only you can copy. Right? But after that, if you want to copy any object from this drawing to another drawing, then how will you do that? You have to give Control C to copy. ठीक है? देखो एक कोई बेड लेते हैं यहाँ पे. Suppose I take ठीक है any random bed. Take Control C से you can copy. Go to your drawing. Control V से you can paste. Control C से copy. Control V से paste. And paste it here. But see how small it is. It's not visible properly, right? So zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Why it's not visible properly? Because we simply, when you are copying any object from another units, definitely it will be too big or too small. So what you have to do, you have to scale it according to your need. You have to use align tool here. Scaling तो कल हो गया. You have to use align tool here. Means suppose if we have any room here, ये room है. I want to place this bed here. Use align tool. अभी अलाइन के लिए थोड़ा बड़ा भी तो दिखना चाहिए ना, तो रैंडमली इसका साइज थोड़ा बढ़ाएंगे. कैसे? सिलेक्ट, गिव SC एंटर, क्लिक एंड ड्रैग. रैंडमली इंक्रीज किया हमने. भी only it should be visible, that's it. Done. Now use align tool. How? Select the object. Type align here. ALIGN. Okay. Type align. Now select the base point of the width. Okay, base point of the width. Then base point of the length. Okay, base point of the length. Then width का base point place किया, length का base point place किया. Then press enter. It will ask you scale objects based on align points. Give yes. That's it. See, you will be able to place that bed here. Right? अपने आप उसका size increase हो गया. Suppose you want to decrease the size, मतलब छोटा सा यहाँ पे bed place करना है. According to the plan. Same process. Select ALIGN align. Here length का base point. Give it length का base point. Then width का base point. Give width का base point. Done. Once you are done with this, give enter and yes. That's it. See, you will be able to place the bed in that space. Sometimes it will be thoda sa tinted. So what do you have to do? Rotate it. How to rotate? Select RO enter and don't rotate here only. यहाँ पे करोगे तो गोल गोल घूमेगा सिर्फ. कर्सर को क्रॉसर को थोड़ा दूर लेके जाओ and move it easily. Okay, and see, you can rotate. Select RO enter and you can rotate it easily here. That's it. And then you can move it. Okay, see, this is how you can place. I'll repeat one more time. Suppose if we have any sofa here. Okay. Randomly suppose कोई sofa लेते हैं यहाँ पर. Do we have any? चलिए hatches वाला part अभी नहीं करते हैं. Wait. एक normal sofa. Suppose this one. Control C से copy. Go to the drawing. Control V से paste. Sometimes it will be too big, sometimes it will be too small. कभी कभी छोटा सा dot रहता है, दिखता नहीं है. Then increase the scale first. How? Randomly increase करेंगे हम. Select SC enter. Click on that object and drag. See? Basically, randomly you can increase it. Done. थोड़ा side में move करते इसको. Now I want to place the sofa here. How? Simply select, type align. ALIGN. Right? Type align, press enter. Now select the base point of the width. Okay, base point of the width. Then base point of the length, base point of the length. इतना बड़ा सोफा चाहिए मुझे, ठीक है. Then give enter and yes, that's it. See, you will be able to place that sofa here. As I told you, sometimes it will be a bit tinted. So what you can do is rotate it. Select RO, enter, and move your cursor. उसको थोड़ा सा दूर लेके जाओ, crosshair को, and you can place it. Then move it. See, done. Okay. So this is how, using align tool, you can place the furniture in the drawing. Is it clear? You understood the align tool? Oh, now do one thing. Practice for this. Open that block file. Practice properly and let me know once you are done. Then we'll proceed forward.
हेलो
Yes.
मैम कॉपी कैसे करना है एक बार फिर से बताएं ना
Oh, Siddharth, you are there in the class.
यस
So where are you? From half an hour I'm asking.
हेलो
From half an hour I'm asking about assignments to respond or whatever I've asked for. You didn't respond. You was not there in the class, right?
नो आई वाज देयर
Then
बट आई वाज यूजिंग फ्रॉम मोबाइल ना आई
so
वाज आउट
you don't have option
आई
of
हैव
mic
लेफ्ट
in the class or that mobile.
आई हैव
Guys,
नॉट डन
don't do this, guys. You are not kids, no.
यस
Okay, let it be. Yeah, tell me what is the issue?
मैम कॉपी करने नहीं आ रहा मेरे को ब्लॉक से ना
Control C say you can copy
या
and Control V say you can paste. V for vertical.
ओके 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 मैम ओके
And when you come here, then
Yeah.
it will ask you to place. So click to paste it. It's not visible, then zoom in. Okay.
ओके मैम ओके थैंक यू
Yeah, guys, finish this quickly so we can proceed further. I think it's done. Like, is it done? Others? Shruti, Siddhant, Raiba, is it done? Fine. Now, आपने यहाँ पे एक चीज notice किया? When you click, you're able to select that whole object. अब बनाते टाइम थोड़ी ना ऐसे बना, लाइंस यूज हुआ है, रेक्टेंगल यूज हुआ है, यहाँ पे पिलोज प्लेस किए गए हैं. But when you are clicking, you are selecting the whole object, right? Why? Because this is the block. Whatever you are able to see, these are the blocks. So now we are going to learn how to create the block. It's very easy. Create the object. ठीक है, जो भी object आप बनाना चाहते हो, आप बना रहे हो. Suppose I'll try to create one bed here. Right? And then using line tool, it will create something or whatever it is. ठीक है? Now when I'll click, individually I have to select everything. Rectangle हो गया, line हो गया, squares हो गया. Right? So what you can do here, convert it into a block. How? Select, then for block, give B enter, right? B is the shortcut for block. Give B enter. And now name it. I'll name it as bed. Give OK. That's it. So now when you'll click, see, you will be able to select the bed here. This is the block now. Right? What I did, I'll repeat, guys. Suppose if we'll place, okay, if I'll try to create any sofa, okay, right? Try to create any sofa here. Now individually you have to select, right? So what you can do, select the object and give B enter. B is the shortcut for block, right? Give B enter and name it. Here I'll name it as sofa. I'll give OK. That's it. See now, click. This is the block you have. Okay. So this is how you can create the blocks. Now, if I'll copy the block here and there, if I'll copy, and then I realized, oh, I want to make some changes here. Then I wanted to make the changes. Then what you can do? Select, right click, and go for block editor here. Okay, go for block editor here and edit the block. Just do whatever changes you want. You want to delete anything, you want to add anything, whatever it is. Now आप बोलोगे कि मैम ऊपर तो सब कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. You are in block editor, guys. Go to home tab. Home tab में सब कुछ familiar होगा. It will be easy, right? Now, whatever changes you want, you can make. Suppose only I want to change color. ठीक है. I'll select the object and change the color from here. Remember, पूरे layer का तो आप यहाँ से कर सकते हो. But for single object, if you want to change color, you can change it from here. For the single object, if you want to change line weight, you can change it from here. For a single object, if you want to change the line type, you can change it from here. Okay? I'll explain this one, only remember this. Now, एक color लिया, that's it. Add करो जो भी add करना है, remove करो जो भी remove करना है. Only once you are done with this. Here, click on close block editor. Okay, click on close block editor. Done. Now here you will find save the changes to sofa. Click on that. That's it. See, the changes will apply everywhere. What I did, if you will copy the same block here and there, right? And then you realized, okay, I want to make some changes here. Then select, right click, go for block editor and do whatever changes you want. मुझे ये लाइन नहीं, मुझे यहाँ पे स्पिन लाइन चाहिए. ठीक है. Place the spin line. Right. The extra part I'll trim it. We'll enter. Please, in short, do whatever changes you want here. Okay. Now I want to change color also. Iska color I want to change only. Okay. Change it. Pillows I want to change. Okay, I'll change it. Mattress also I want to change. Okay, I'll change it. Done with the changes. Then click on close block editor. It will ask you save the changes to bed. Click on that. Save the changes to bed. And see, you will find the changes will apply everywhere here. Now you are thinking, okay, एक चीज में change कर रहा है, हर जगह change हो जा रहा है. Now what if I want to make changes for the single block, for the single object? Then very easy. Explode that block. Explode means you can break that block here, right? How? Select and give X enter. Okay. X is the shortcut for explode. Give X enter. That's it. अभी वो block explode हो गया. So individually you can select here. बाकी blocks वैसे रहेंगे, ठीक है? बाकी blocks वैसे रहेंगे. इसको explode किया है. It is exploded. Now make whatever changes you want. Here also same. जो भी ब्लॉक एक्सप्लोर करना है, जिसमें भी चेंजेस करना है, सिर्फ सिंगल ब्लॉक पे, तो सिलेक्ट एंड एक्सप्लोर इट, एक्स एंटर एंड मेक whatever changes you want here. See, okay. So basically, this is how, guys, you can create, edit, and explode the blocks. Okay. So is it clear? Block wala part you understood? Fine. So try it out, practice for this, and let me know once you are done. Okay, so Shruti is asking how to get the last drawing in AutoCAD. Simply type Z, enter, A, enter. Z for zoom, A for all. Zoom all. Okay? Yeah. Now see, after this, ये तो block हो गया. Now I'll tell you about this match properties. Okay? See guys, suppose if you have one circle, one arc, one rectangle, one arc, one circle you have. Okay? Now, for one object, layers के लिए तो change करना तो you know from layers you can change. But suppose for one object, if you want to make changes, select, click on the drop down. I'll take red. Okay, done. ठीक है. Again, select, click on the drop down. You can change the line weight. If it is not visible, you know, you have to turn on that show headline with option. Now it's visible. Okay. If you want to change line type here, again select, click on the drop down. You don't have any line type, no? So go for other. Click on load. Load the line types. If I'll take this one, dash dot. Okay. Okay, again. Done. After that, how to change this? Select, click on the drop down, dash. That's it. See, you can change it here. Right? So for a single object, this is how you can change the color, the line type, and the line weight here. Right? Layer के लिए यहाँ से change करते हैं, single object के लिए यहाँ से. Now here we have match properties. How it works? See, suppose I have an object, simple sa object है. Remember guys, using match properties, you can change, means you can match the color, line type, and line weight. How? MA is the shortcut. Okay, MA is the shortcut for match properties. MA, enter. First, select source object, means what you want to give. Then select destination object, where you want to give. That's it. See, it's done. MA is the shortcut for match properties, right? MA, enter. Select the source object, means what you want to give. Select destination object, where you want to give. See, you can match. The line type also. And again for line weight, MA, enter. Select the source object. Select destination object and see, you can match the line weight also. Okay. So remember, using match properties, you can match the color, the line type, and line weight. Okay. Try it out quickly and finish this. So we can proceed with text and dimensions. Okay. Try it out. Okay, done. Can we proceed further? Fine. Now see how to add the text and dimension. Whatever it is, create the layers. As I told you prior, whenever you are working, don't work without the layers from now on. Okay. So I'll create a new layer of text. आप बोलोगे ये बाकी layers कहाँ से आया? So remember this whenever you will import any blocks. किसी भी ड्राइंग से कोई ब्लॉक जब आप अपनी ड्राइंग में लाते हो तो अपने साथ अपनी लेयर लेके आता है. ठीक है? That's why you'll find the extra layers. So keep it, not an issue. Now, this is the text layer I've created and I'll select that layer also. Now, here if I have one room, one rectangle of 2000 by 2000. Okay, 2000 by 2000 का सिंपल एक रेक्टेंगल है, प्लान है समझो. इसको सिंपली गिव पार्टीशंस here. Or whatever it is, ठीक है, let it be. Now you have to add the text. How will you do that? See guys, text का shortcut है MT. MT is the shortcut to add the text. Okay. Give MT enter. Click and drag. Now enter the text which you want. And type living room. But guys, here you have to make some changes. How? Select the text. On top of that, you can change the font. Okay. Which font you want, you can basically change it. Done. Still, select any standard font. After that, means below that you'll find color. You can select which color you want, but still I'll suggest go with bi-layer only. Here you have bold, italic, underline, right? But the most important thing is text height. 3 is too small. Okay, nothing will be visible. Students क्या करते हैं, सब चेंज करते हैं, बस यही भूल जाते हैं. And then they'll like, मैम टेक्स्ट दिख नहीं रहा है, टेक्स्ट ऐड नहीं हो रहा. आपको यहाँ पर टेक्स्ट हाइट बढ़ाना होगा तभी टेक्स्ट दिखेगा. Okay, so if I'll give 80, enter. Now don't worry that text is too big or too small. Simply click on close text editor here. That's it. And see, you will be able to add the text. Right? What I did, I'll repeat again. MT is the shortcut for text. Right? Give MT enter. Click and drag. Add the text. Suppose I'll type bedroom. Select the text first and make the changes. Simply which font you want, you can select. Which color you want, you can select, but I'll suggest go with bi-layer. Bold, italic, underline, so you know already. Only don't forget this one, text height. Okay. I'll change it to 60. Enter. Again the same thing. Don't worry, it is coming too big or too small. Simply click on close the text editor. That's it. See, you'll be able to add the text. Now every time you have to follow the same process. No. add the text at once only. सिर्फ एक बार ऐड करना है. Then बाकी you can copy paste. Okay. CO. Enter. Take this and place it wherever you want. Suppose I'll take bedroom. Here, wherever you want, simply add the text here. And then edit the text. How? Double click, erase this, type living room. Again, double click, type kitchen. Again, double click, then drawing room or whatever it is. Okay, this is how you can add the text. Okay, if you don't know the dimensions, I'll teach you how to add. But if you know the dimensions, then जैसे कि मुझे पता है ये 2000 by 2000 का स्क्वायर है, then copy the same text at bottom, double click and make the changes. I'll type 2000 into 2000. That's it. See, stop. Why we guys, like, we are working in layers? Suppose I don't want to show the text. Simply I'll turn off the layer and see, it won't be visible. Turn it on, it will be visible. Okay, clear? Write down the text wala part and let me know once you are done. Then we'll proceed with dimensions here. Yes, Shruti, do you have any doubt?
Ma'am, I forgot the shortcut for text which you told.
Sorry?
What we have to type to get a text box?
Empty.
Empty. And also, ma'am, how the text is getting adjusted? Like, मतलब 3 में भी text size उतना ही था. And जब आपने 80 टाइप किया तभी भी उतना ही text size आया. So how we are supposed to get idea कि मुझे इतना टाइप करना है तो मेरा text उतना आएगा.
Try to give it no first. Give something 80, 100 and see if it is too big, then you can decrease. See, only first time it happens, ठीक है? Second time अगर आप इसको double click करके इसको select करके changes करोगे ना, अभी यहाँ पे 60 है, अगर यहाँ पे मैं 100 देती हूँ, second time वो proper visible होगा. See, अभी यहाँ पे अगर मैंने 150 दिया, second time वो proper visible होता है. बस फर्स्ट टाइम वो बहुत बड़ा है फिर बहुत छोटा होगा, ठीक है। फर्स्ट टाइम यू कैन एडजस्ट एंड रेस्ट यू कैन चेंज देम। Okay guys, fine. Now we'll proceed with the dimensions here, ठीक है। Open the layer properties, create a new layer of dimension. Remember, no one is going to work without dimensions. So I'll give dim enter and I'll change the color. That's it. Now, यहाँ पे text का color yellow कर दो. Now, select dimension layer and how you can show the dimensions? You can give DAL. Okay, DAL is the shortcut for dimension. Give DAL enter. Click from where you want to measure. Drag. Click till where you want to measure. Now drag and leave. You'll say, "Ma'am, where is dimensions? Nothing is visible here." Guys, it's there. You have to zoom in. See, dimensions are there. Not only the dimensions, you have arrowheads also. See, then why it's not visible due to the settings? So what you have to do, change the settings here. And the shortcut for settings mean dim star manager में जाना होता है settings के लिए, ठीक है? And the shortcut for dim star manager is D. Simply type D, enter, click on modify and add the text. Means do the changes. I'm so sorry. Do the changes. First, lines. यहाँ पे dimension lines है. I'm so sorry. Now make sure it is bilayer. See, the dimension lines are bilayer. For those dimension lines, you can change line type, you can change line weight, but it's not needed. So keep it as it is. Then side may you'll find these white lines. These are the extension lines. If you want, keep it. If you don't want, click on extension line 1, extension line 2 means turn it off. Then go for symbols and arrows. आपने arrow देखा ये वाला close field है. अगर वो symbol change करना है तो see number of symbols are there. You can select any. Suppose I'll give this one oblique or architectural tick. See, this is how it will look. Right? Then after that, here you'll find arrow size. Okay? Increase the arrow size because it's not visible there. Arrow size, if I'll give 45, enter. Why it's looking like that? Because of text chota hai na. So go to text and change the text height. Text height suppose 50 dete hai, 50, enter. Now ठीक है, now it's visible. Then text color. एक उसको बाय लेयर रखो और you can select any color. I'll select white. Then feet may no need to make any changes, and the last one is primary unit. So guys, in primary units, you have to set like in which units you are working. Okay, in which units you are working, set those units. If you are working in feet and inches, then unit format architectural precision 0 feet 0 inches. I am working in mm, so unit format decimal precision 0. Then I'll give OK. Now click on set current. Okay. Simply click on set current. Don't forget this. If you forget this and forget about your settings also, it won't be applied. Set current and then close. See, you'll get the changes. एक बार setting हो गया, it's done. Now if you are giving DAL, enter. Click from where you want to measure. Drag. Click till where you want to measure. Drag and leave. See? You can show the measurements here. Right? तब DAL देके क्या कर रहे हो? Linear dimension ले रहे हो, straight dimension ले रहे हो. What if you have any triangle like this? उसका dimension कैसे show करोगे? What if you have arc like this? उसका dimension कैसे show करोगे? What if you have any angle like this? उसका dimension कैसे show करोगे? What if you want to show what you want to show radius? What if you want to show diameter? Then So इसके लिए भी options है. See, in annotations, text हो गया, dimension हो गया, उसके side में you'll find this drop down, linear का drop down. DL when you are giving, that is the by default linear you are giving, right? If you want to give aligned, select aligned. Click from where you want to measure, drag till where you want to measure. Drag and leave. See what I did? Select aligned. Click from where you want to measure. Drag, click till where you want to measure. Drag and leave. Right? Then I'll select angular. Click on the first line. Click on the second line. You can change the angle. Right? Means you can show the angle, I mean. Then if you select arc length, click on that arc and drag. You can show the arc length here. If you want to show radius, click on the circle, take the center. You'll get radius. If you want diameter, click on the drop down, take diameter, select the circle, and you can show the diameter here. Right? This is how you can use dimensions. So is it clear? You understood dimension wala part? Okay. Try it out. I'll wait for 5 minutes. Okay, guys, done. Fine. So what we have covered in today's class, how you can add text, how you can add dimension, how you can create, edit, explore the block, match properties, and the most important, align to. Okay. So guys, here basically we are done with the basics of AutoCAD. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow we don't have any class. So you have to practice properly for these basics. Okay. Because from Monday we'll start with the advanced week of AutoCAD. Okay. Now you know all the drawing tools, modifying tools, layer properties, text, dimension blocks, scaling, etc. Right? So practice well for the basics. And the last thing, complete the assignment. Still I'm repeating because this is last time I can help you. I'll check the drive on Sunday morning if you want. Tomorrow you have entire day. What you have to do? Combine all drawing and modifying tools and create any three furnitures. Use layers in that assignment, layer properties, where you want change the color, where you want change the line type, line person. And whoever is done with this assignment, you have to add text and dimensions for that block which you have created. Okay? You need to show the text and dimensions for those three furnitures which you have created. Rest practice well for scaling and align and match layer properties also. Okay, fine. So anything you want to ask? Anything you want to discuss about? Anyone? Okay, fine guys. If you don't have any doubts, so we'll end the session for today and we'll continue from Monday. Okay? Thank you guys. Bye bye. Thank you, Shruti. Bye bye.